How would you feel if email wasn't such a time drain anymore? What would you do if it was nearly effortless? You'd do far more productive things with that freed up time. Let's explore some ways to take the annoyance out of email and take back some of our precious time. We have a lot of email accounts. A work one, multiple personal accounts, school ones, etc. Keeping up with all of them is such a pain. Each account is a mixture of important and pointless emails that pile up at all hours of the day. Before we get started, to access the scripts shown in this video, visit our website, neotutorials.blog. To start, let's take email filters to the next level. Let's start by going to Gmail settings. And then press filters and blocked addresses. Now find a filter you would like to add addresses to. And press edit over on the right. In the From field, you'll add a space after the address and then type or in capital letters and then an additional address you would like to add to this filter. Then press continue and add any filter settings. I do recommend checking the very last box to apply the filter to matching conversations. This will apply the filter to emails that are already in your inbox. When you're done, press the update filter button. You can repeat this for other filters. Now that we have established which emails are short-lived, let's create a script to delete them once they have outlived their usefulness. We will start by navigating to scripts.google.com and pressing the Start Scripting button. From the main page, you will see the New Project button. Let's press that. Close the flyout message if you get one. And also confirm you're signed into your Google account. So first we want to clear out the default code. You can highlight it or press Ctrl+A to select it all and then delete it. Next, let's paste in our script code. Once we do that, let's change my label to one of the labels we created in the previous step. Make sure to surround the label name with quotation marks. If not, the code will not work. We have to change the label name in both line 2 and line 4 of the code. Once we change the label name, we can move on to editing the delay. This limits the number of days before an email is moved to the trash. The code default is set to 2, but I think 7 is better. That way you're less likely to miss something you want to see. Then make sure to press the save icon in the toolbar. Now we need to set up a trigger so that this script runs automatically. Navigate to and press the stopwatch icon in the left-hand sidebar. Then press the Create a New Trigger link. A new window will come up. The default values are good for this script, so we can leave them alone. Next, press the Save button. Note that a pop-up is required. If your browser has pop-ups blocked, you will need to temporarily disable it, or if you use Chrome, find the pop-up block icon in the address bar and click the pop-up link. Once that pop-up appears, you will want to select the Gmail account that the email script is for. In my case here, there is just the one account. A page will come up that seems a bit scary, but rest assured there isn't anything unsafe about our script. So you will want to press Advanced. And then press the link below the email address that says Go to delete newsletters after 7 days and allow the script access to your Gmail. The original trigger settings page will appear again. All you have to do is press save and the trigger will be created. Now that we've set up auto deletion for emails of a more transient nature, let's move the emails worth keeping into the archive to declutter our inbox. Alright, so just like the previous script, we will create a new project. After the code editor opens, we can paste it into our archive script. The script's default archive criteria are for messages that are older than 30 days. To change that to something else like 90 days, replace the number 30 in line 16 with your desired number of days. Now we will save the script and then head over to the Triggers tab and press Add a New Trigger or the Create New Trigger link under No Results. This will be a time-driven event and the time-based trigger will be Daytimer. So now select your desired time of day for this script to run. I will select 4 AM to 5 AM for this demonstration. Then press Save and go through the account selection and security warning. After that, you'll press Allow and then Save again. And there you have it. Now emails will automatically be archived after a set amount of time. You'll press the New Project button in the left-hand sidebar. Once the code editor opens, you can paste in the SMS alert script. If you wish to change the label name, you can. For this demonstration, we will stick with the send text label. Remember to press the save icon in the code editor. Next, let's create the trigger by going to Triggers in the left-hand sidebar. Once the Triggers page loads, press the blue Add Trigger button. As you can see, I forgot to save my script, so I will press this save button that comes up at the bottom left. Now let's get our trigger set up. The purpose of this script is for critical alerts, so let's select the minute timer as our time-based trigger and an interval of let's do every 5 minutes. You could do every minute if you wanted. 5 minutes seems good though. Now save our trigger, and just like the previous ones we have to select our Google account. Then press advanced and then the link that lets us to allowing the script to run. The script creates a label if there isn't one already, but to be the next time an email comes in with your set criteria, you will receive a SMS message so you can act quickly. Alright. By this point your email is streamlined. But how secure is it? Check out this video to learn about the security measures that will keep all your personal data in Gmail from getting hacked. If you would like these same steps in an easy to follow, written format, with screenshots, I encourage you to check out our blog page. There you will find the steps for making email effortless and steps for past and future videos.